All right, we're in this building in Libertyville, and we've got, oh, I guess it's literally just called professional building. And we've got a Otis Series 1 right here. Otis. Huh. Oh, I guess it's literally just this one suite out here. A little bit of pre-door. Anyway. That is going to be it.